This week was relatively quiet in terms of news. Mortgage rates did, have been inching up basically this whole month, but and that's despite the Fed's recent rate cut. But unlike the Fed's short-term rates, mortgage rates really often follow the 10-year Treasury yield, and that's been on the way up. It's going to be a bumpy road, and next week we've got it's jobs week already, and we've also have the upcoming election, and the Fed's approach to future cuts are all likely to keep rates fluctuating, basically. And some of this rate increase that we've seen is kind of tough to explain, and it could really be a reaction to expected election outcomes or maybe just adjusted expectations for how aggressively the Fed's going to cut rates. Despite high rates and mixed signals from the media, homeownership is still something that a lot of people are chasing. Many potential buyers are weighing their options and need a clear comparison of buying versus renting in today's market. That's something we're happy to provide for anyone on the fence. But owning obviously offers flexibility and stability that renters don't have, along with wealth building through home appreciation, which a lot of clients just don't fully understand. So we can show them that. The IRS did release an update to tax brackets for 2025. So just let me know if you want me to send that over. Pretty slight increase overall. And we also this week got the latest beige book from the Fed. And basically, it highlighted some inconsistencies. The jobless claims have increased, but unemployment rates actually ticked down. Doesn't make much sense. So, really pretty contradictory. And it's partly due to the number of people who have run out of benefits and can't continue to file. But this discrepancy really can't go on forever. And it could eventually support the bond market. But again, it's going to be gradual. But looking at next week, we're going to be watching home price appreciation, GDP, as well as the Fed's favorite measure of inflation, that's PCE, and they'll all impact mortgage rates. And though Fed rates are expected to stabilize in the coming months, patience really going to be key here, so just hang in there. But if you have any questions, just say the word. Otherwise, I'll see you next week.